Practicing more about the power number, you got exercise 4. The first one, you have a h to power of 14 because 5 plus 9 equal to 14. About b, you have here is base number is a minus 1 plus minus 6 equal to minus 7. Let me check a little bit about the power number. Okay, yes, that's it. Question C is very easy. 7 minus 3, you got m to power of 4. About D, you got base number is k. 13 plus 6 and minus 9, you will got k to power of 10. And then E is equal to a minus 5 plus 4 and plus minus 7 is here. So minus 8. Yeah, this one is minus 8. How about F? Yeah, the fractional power number 2 to power of 5 plus with 3 to power of 5, you got addition. This is equal to 5 over 5 is mean h to power of 1. So there E equal to 1 or h. We continue with question G. About G in the numerator, you got 5 and only 5. So I can separate this become to the two base number. The first base number is m and the second one is n. You got n to power 4 here and n to power 2 here. And make the subtraction for power number. You will got here is 1, 5 minus 4, and you will got here is 2, n to power of 2 like this, 4 minus 2. So another way for writing this one is here. Yeah, that's it. Question G. About question 8. Yeah. In the first, you got 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 in the numerator, and here is p. And now you got p to power of 1 and you got p square like this. 1 minus 2 equal to p to minus 1 like here. Question I. Square outside this bracket, so I will apply square here for both two base number. The first base number is 3 square, and the second one is h to power of 11. And square outside here is 9, and 11 times 2, you got 22. You got 22. The next one is G. Question J. You got 24 here, HQ here, and this is not 24 divided by 3. This is not 8. This is 24 minus 3. So h equal to h to power of 21. H to power of 21. Yeah, we finish question 4. Question 5. 5 outside the bracket. So apply inside the bracket. You got P5. You got Q3 and 5 outside. And here is P5 and here is Q15 like this. About B, 8 outside this division, so A to power of 8 first and B to power of 8 like this. Yeah, that's it. About C, you got the numerator and denominator with 3 outside. So 4A to power of 3 divided by B4 to power of 3 like this. And you hear 3 outside this bracket, so I can apply Q here for both base number. The first one is 4 to power of 3 and A to power of 3 here. And B in the denominator become to power of 12 because 4 times 3 equal to 12. And for this one, you got 64 AQ and divide by B12 like this. That is question C. Yeah, A, B, C. Question D, 3 base number. That's right. 3 base number. The first base number is 7 square. The second one is a to power 5, a to power 5 square. And b square like this. And 49, a to power of 10 and b square will be here. Question E, a 2 cube, the first base number. The second base number is m7. So q outside one more time. Here is 4. This is 8 because 2 to power 3 equal to 8. And now you got m equal m to power of 21 over m4. For this one, you can simplify it because we have the same base number. M21 minus 4 equal to 8 times m to power of 17. 17 like this. Yeah, question F. X and yq here multiply with x4 first and y squared and then to power of 4 in here. And now you got x multiply y. I can divide this one by x and by y. The first one is x multiply with x4 and the second base number yq and y 8. So why I have 8 here? Because I have 2 and 4 in this form. It means I have to multiply the power number together. And the next one, you will have here is x and times y there. And you can simplify the y x like this. So here equal to x to power of 4. And the 11 will be the power number of the numerator indices. And over y here. So x4 multiply y 10 because here is 1. 11 minus 1 equal to 10. Yeah, that is question F. Move to another question. You got question G. About question G, the numerator you got 2, 4 and you got k8 and 4 outside this bracket. Denominator you got 6q and kq and 1q more time, and this is equal to 16. Here is k to power of 30 and 6. Yeah, okay. 6 to power 6q is 2 1 6 like this, and here is k9 k to power of 9. Simplify this one 16 and 2 1 6. You can simplify it become to 2 to power 2 divided by 27. And about k, 32 minus 9, 23 here. Question 8. 2 7 y 5 7 y 12 divided by 8. Okay, so 2 to power of 7 you got 1 and 28. Multiply y 35 and then you got y to power of 12 divide by 8. So the constant number only 16. And about the power number of y, this is equal to 47. Yes, that is 47. Question I, a little complicated. I can see inside the bracket here, I have only indices with base number is a. So I will simplify the power number inside the brackets first. I will got here is a to power of 10 because 6 and 4 plus together I got 10. And after simplify you got a to power of 10 minus 11, and this is still be minus 3 outside this bracket. Inside the bracket you got minus 1. 10 minus 11 equal to minus 1, and minus 3 outside multiplication for power number, and minus 1 times minus 3 you got 3. This is answer for question I. Question J. The same thing. I will simplify inside the brackets first. For the bracket, I'm got here is x to power of 1 and y here is 9, and over x to power of 8 multiply y to power of 3, and you got 3 q outside this bracket. So for inside the bracket, you have 1 minus 8, you got y 9 minus 3, so this is outside is minus 3 here. 5 minus 7, 6 here, so here is minus 3. 3 base number, right? 5 to power of minus 3 x minus 7 and minus 3 outside this bracket, and y to power of 6 and minus 3 outside this bracket, and then you got here is 1 over 1 to 5. X here you got 21 because minus 7 times minus 3 equal to minus 7, 21 equal to 21. And about y you got here is minus 18 like this. So we finish question G.